Thai food is that part of Asian cuisine without which it's virtually incomplete. Rich in flavors of coconut and lemongrass, Thai green curry is what I'm making today. So let's get started. I'm going to start with dry roasting 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 2 cloves and 4 peppercorns. Just dry roast this for 1 minute. Once you start getting the aroma and the coriander seeds changing slight color, turn off the flame. So into the blender, all the dry spices in. Let's grind this lightly. Open this, and now into this powder I'm going to add all the other ingredients. 2 stalks, about 4 inches of lemongrass. Just pound it a little bit. Cut it into small pieces. And this goes into the blender. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1-inch piece of galangal, about 1.5-inch piece of ginger, 3 green chillies chopped, 1 onion chopped, half a cup of coriander leaves, half a cup of Thai basil. I have 1 big Kaffir Lime Leaf. If you have the small ones, just add 2-3. Just remove the center vein. Just 1 teaspoon of vinegar and a little bit of salt. Grind all these ingredients into a fine paste, as fine as you can. Just grind this. If you feel it's very dry, you can add just a little bit of water. The paste looks perfect, and now let's start making the curry. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan, and now goes in the aromatic paste. About 5 tablespoons of this paste. Just cook this paste lightly, just for a minute, because we have all the raw aromatics in it. The blend of all these ingredients, oh my god, the aroma is unbelievable. And heat another tablespoon of oil just to saute the vegetables. I have some roughly chopped veggies, red and green bell peppers, baby corn, broccoli, and after a couple of minutes, go in the mushroom. Add a little bit of salt. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of coconut milk, but I'm going to pour in half of it first. In the remaining half, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour, because sometimes when you overcook your coconut milk, there are chances that it might just split. Let this cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. I'm also going to add in a few Kaffir leaves. Just bruise them a little bit and add it in. Stir it in. Little more salt, enough for the curry. The curry is bubbling, the vegetables are done. Turn off the flame. And now, time to serve it. You can add in some snow peas, edamame, tofu, whatever is handy. Serve it with some hot jasmine rice or just plain steamed rice, and you're good to go. Do give this a try. Let me know how it turned out. See you next time. Bye-bye.